Hello, everyone. This is Kyle McCloud with Elevate BDG, here to share a tip with you about using Excel to make your life just a little bit easier and a little bit faster. You know, we tend to use Excel the same way over and over again because we have these things that work for us. Sometimes we don't even ask the question, is there a faster way to do what I'm currently doing? So hopefully this tip will just be one of those things where it's like, hey, I had no idea that this would make my life so much easier. So you'll notice that I have this sheet here and it's got like first names, last names, department position and all these different things. Don't worry, the social security numbers are fake. But you'll notice that the last name is not capitalized. And you'll also notice that the same thing is going on for the first name. I'm not showing you how to fix that, gang. Not in this tip anyway, but there is a feature that Microsoft Excel has that is really good for that. You'll notice that we have these annual salaries and these departments. And let's say that you're given the assignment of having to total all the salaries by the department. What you most likely did was you sorted it by the department and then you most likely inserted a line. And when you inserted the line, you probably typed something in there such as, corporate manager total. And then went over to the annual salary and used the auto sum button to actually total the whole thing. And it's like one down and however many more to go. So you go to your next group and you hit insert, and then you type something like corporate staff total, and then go over to the annual salary, and then you click the auto sum for that again. And it's like I have however many more to go after that. So instead of doing it that way, Excel has. So I'm going to undo everything. And then I want you to remember that when it comes, the first step is still going to need to be the sorting, which you were doing before. So you want to sort by the department. And then after that, you want to go to a feature that is called subtotals. This can be found on the data tab. So you go to the data tab, over to the section that says outline, and you click on the button that says subtotal. You'll get a dialog box, and in that dialog box, you'll have like a few options that you need to choose from. This is a really easy one for us because we know we're not totaling the first names, we're totaling the departments. We know we're using the sum function because we're adding. And we also are not totaling the management level. We are totaling the annual salary. Once that's done, you click OK, and voila, you have it all done in one shot. You'll also notice on the left side, there's like this 1, 2, and 3. The number 1 collapses everything so that all you see is the annual salary. I got to expand the column, so I'm going to click in between G and H to do that. And then if you look at number 2, it has the subtotals. And then when you go back to number 3, it brings it all back to the way it was before. And so that's the subtotal feature. This is 100% safe because if you need to get it back to the way it was before, you go to data and you go to subtotal again, and then you'll notice everything is still there, including a button that says remove all. You click on the remove all button and it goes right back to being the way it was before. I'm Kyle McCloud. This is Elevate BDG with another tip about subtotals. So I hope this was helpful. Enjoy.